guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel / Facebook page corinasdiys. As you can hear from my voice, I'm a little sick. That's why I'm also in my pajamas, because I like to be comfy, but I also wanted to make this video, so let's get started. First, I would like to mention that this is my first English YouTube video, therefore bear with me, because my English might be a little rusty, but I will do my best for you to understand me. From now on, I would like to make my videos in English, at least some of them, because this way I can reach more people, not only Romanian. I know it might seem all of a sudden for some of my Romanian viewers, but this is something I've been thinking of for some time, and I thought this is the best time to do it. Therefore, from now on, I will have some of my videos in English, if not all. In my last video, I made a paper rose, and I told you to keep the scraps because I would like to show you that you can make something with them. Meaning, from the scraps we can make a type or two types of succulents, and I would like to show you how we make it. Therefore, in this video I will show you how to make succulents out of paper scraps. So let's get started. For this project I will be using crepe paper, 180 grams crepe paper, Italian crepe paper. I will be using these parts, but you can use scraps. I will show you exactly what I mean. Flower wire, I'm using 1 millimeter thick, scissors, an object that can help you shape the petal or the leaf, and my glue gun. As all of you have scraps of paper lying around everywhere, I know I do, I thought it would be useful for you to know what to do with them. Therefore, we're gonna make two types of succulents. From one small piece we will be making one leaf for the first type of succulent, and two leaves for the second type of succulents. So we will be needing about 1 centimeter from this. So this is for the first type of succulent, while these are for the second type of succulent. You can make as many as you want. It all depends on how big you want your succulent to be. Another tip would be, when you're making your petals, the majority of your petals will be shaped like this, and you'll have some scraps from that type also, because you can make your petal like this, and this will be left, so you can shape your leaf for the succulents from this part. This way you will no longer have scrap paper all over your house. So let's get started. We will start with the first type of succulent, the thicker one with the thicker leaf, and leave these aside. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!